This video will show you how to use the Vanta GX precious metal analyzer from start to finish. Learn how to perform a test and export results in a few easy steps. All this information can be found within the user manual. Find a PDF of the manual on the USB drive included with your analyzer. To begin, locate an outlet and plug in your analyzer. Power on the analyzer by pressing the power button. Enter your password. The light in the measurement chamber indicates the analyzer is on. Let's test an item. Lift the lid to open the test chamber. Place the item on the measurement window. If the measurement window is dirty or damaged, replace it before starting a test. To start a test, close the lid and press the play button. The flashing lights indicate a test is in process. Results appear on the screen in seconds. Let's review the results. The Vanta GX analyzer can be configured to show the caratage or fineness of gold. An alert tells you if the item is gold-plated. Scroll down to view additional information. Swipe left to access the aiming camera. Here, you can see an image of the item tested. Swipe right to access the previous test results. To export the results as a spreadsheet, press the Export Today button in the Favorites area. You can configure the export and access other options in the main menu tab. Shortcuts to common actions are at the bottom of the screen. You can find the full menu by pulling down the gear icon at the top right of the screen. Refer to the Vanta technical tutorial for instructions on configuring and exporting the results as a PDF. Thanks for watching. To learn more about the Vanta GX precious metal analyzer, go to evidencescientific.com.